In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Sora 2 invite code. We're diving into an easy and straightforward guide that will help you secure an invite code without any hassle. Let's get started. First, we need to head over to ebay.com. This is a fantastic platform where you can find almost anything, and today we're focusing on getting a Sora 2 invite code. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to locate the search bar, normally prominent at the top of the page. Type in Sora 2 invite code and hit enter. As the search results load, you will see multiple listings pop up. eBay is a treasure trove for these kinds of unique finds. One of the real advantages of using eBay is the range of options it provides. You'll see various sellers offering invite codes, sometimes at a great bargain. Scrolling through, examine the listings carefully. It's crucial to pay attention to details such as the price, the seller's rating, and any included buyer protection options. Sellers with high positive feedback tend to provide more reliable transactions, so that's definitely something to prioritize as you make your choice. Once you've identified a promising listing, click on it to view more detailed information. Here, you're looking for more than just a code. You want assurance of legitimacy. Look for any additional seller notes or customer reviews that might reinforce the trustworthiness of the offer. One tip to keep in mind as you proceed is to compare a few listings. Don't rush into the first one you see. Take a few moments to ensure you're getting the best possible deal. Prices can vary, and sometimes you can find codes being sold at significantly discounted rates. When you've settled on your choice, proceed to the purchase by following eBay's checkout process. It's straightforward. You'll typically need to click on Buy It Now or Add to Cart. And from there, just follow the prompts. Ensure your payment information is correct, and before finalizing your purchase, make sure you review everything one last time. It's always good to double check to avoid any potential issues later. After completing the purchase, you should receive the invite code. Depending on the seller, this might be immediately after purchase or within a short time frame. Keep an eye on your email for any notifications or messages from the seller. And there you have it, folks, a simple way to get a Sora 2 invite code through eBay. With these steps, you can easily navigate the process and find yourself with the invite code you've been looking for, and hopefully at a great price. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on uncovering hard-to-find items online. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!